Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the patient's identity and mobility restrictions, then move quickly to place the draw sheet. Slide the sheet under the patient from shoulders to mid-thigh, keeping edges even on both sides. This gives you secure handholds. Once done, position caregivers, one at the head and one or two at the sides, so everyone is close and stable. Make sure knees are bent and spines neutral. This protects your back and prepares you to lift or reposition in one coordinated motion. You coordinate the move with a clear, loud count, ready, lift, shift, so everyone acts together. Grasp the draw sheet with an underhand hold at hip and shoulder level and lift using your legs, not your back, keeping the patient flat and aligned to prevent shearing. Once lifted slightly, slide or pivot the patient as a single unit. Move in small, controlled steps and communicate constantly. Make sure to keep the patient's head and trunk supported, while you complete the repositioning to maintain comfort and safety. You finish by lowering the patient gently onto the bed and smoothing the sheet to remove wrinkles. Pad pressure points as needed. Once settled, verify comfort and safety. Check breathing, limb positions, and any tubing or dressings to be sure nothing is kinked or strained. If you encounter unexpected resistance at any stage, stop immediately, reassess your grips and body mechanics, and add another caregiver if necessary. This prevents injury and preserves a safe, controlled transfer for both you and the patient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.